How's the floor going upstairs?
Good, but I need lunch. And I had enough of today. So, what I want to try, you found this wonderful vegan sliced cheese.
Yeah, hopefully
And
it tastes really good.
Yeah, it's saying that we can do grilled cheese sandwiches with it, so we're gonna test to see how well it melts, right? So we'll use our margarine on toast. If you can grab another 2 slices, and then I'll make a sandwich for both of us. Because as far as I know, for grilled cheese sandwiches, you put like a butter or something first.
I think it should be pretty good.
And then a cheese. Do you butter both sides or just the one side for a grilled cheese sandwich?
I would just butter the one side.
Inside, like where the cheese would go, or oops, luckily that counter's clean. Yeah, luckily the counter's clean. So I got this that my father John gave me years back, my old machine, but I love it. Making grilled cheese sandwiches. Gave it a bit of a cleanup because it is very old. So would I put the cheese on with the butter on the inside, or do I put the butter on the outside? What would you do? Do one of each, and then we can try one of each. Okay.
I think the butter on the inside would be better.
Butter on the inside. Yeah. Okay, and then.
No, you don't need the butter. No.
Well, do butter. Ouch! It's hot. Yeah, it is. It's hot. And then do this one where the butter's on the outside for that part, and then put. Do you want 2 cheese or one?
One.
Just do 1 cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, and then again the butter on that. So we'll see which ones, and we can cut them in half and see which one is better. So when the green light goes on,
then it would be done.
It's ready.
I want 2. So.
Oh, you do want 2? Let's try these both first, and then we'll see which ones we like better. So I got the subflooring down. I got the
subflooring?
Yeah, the subflooring, like the cement board underneath done. I've got the floor level, the wood flooring, the main floor wood flooring level, screwed that down so it's level. Then I put the cement subflooring, and next I have to tile, grout, and then the floor is finished for the upstairs washroom, right?
Okay.
That'll be nice. That looks like the light went on. Oh.
Yeah, it did. Perfect.
Okay, so this was the butter on the outside. Whole wheat bread, because that's healthier. This one's got your Nando on it. And then this one is butter on the inside with the cheese. How is it? Did the cheese melt really nice? See how well the cheese melted? Oh yeah, vegan cheese. Look at that melt. It's exactly like cheese. Let's try it.
Really good.
That's just as good as regular cheese. You wouldn't know it wasn't regular from animal, plant-based. It's Let's try the flavor. try the flavor itself of the cheese, plant-based. That's
Very
good.
nice, very buttery.
You wouldn't know that's not real cheese.
No.
It's even almost better than real cheese, isn't it?
Yep.
That's nice. No animals were harmed. Plant-based. Nando's is a little too spicy for me. Peri peri, too spicy. If I was gonna do a sauce, it would be the traditional ketchup with my grilled cheese.
Mm.
Yeah. Perfect. What's going on? Oh, you're